Welcome to Cyprus Photography Tours, and we're in the fourth final village of December doing a photography POV. Well, yeah, it will be a POV because I'm filming on the DJI Action 5 and I have my new mount because my brother brought it for me, who is over from England. So we're at Kalo Panagiotis. It's not that crazy busy, but we're going to take some photos. Maybe my brother might pose for some of those photos, but we're going to do some Christmas shopping for some family members. I'm using the Sony a6700 with the Sigma 24-70 with Polar Pro's mist filter. And there's a car coming, so I'm going to shut up and then we're going to take some photos. Do you want to pose? Pose for it? Pretend to be like hello. Feliz Akimasis. Queen's Gambit chessboard. That's a pretty cool chessboard. Do you not miss this? Would you like things like this?
Yeah.
Runza? What's over here? Oh, here we go. Do you not miss this?
Yeah, he would actually.
Do you want to get this or do you want to walk around and after this one?
Do you want to finish what you're doing first?
No, come in and see it. It doesn't matter.
Alright, okay.
Join your photo taker. Ah, cat challenge complete.
Thank you. I like animals, so I can't talk people. Father of one of them, he's the defender of the area. He's very handsome.
He is.
Fair boy. He's very afraid though.
Nice
Thank
to
you,
meet
cat.
Thank you.
Cat as well.
Anyway, look.
Great, Lucy. Alright, so this is wild. I've been here last year and it was rammed. Like, all of this would be busy, fire pits on, people. Even down here. Jesus, what poked in the eye? This would be rammed full of people. And it is a Friday. I know, it takes about 2 hours to get here from Limassol, just under. Wild. It's really nice though. It's just different. Maybe it'll be busier tomorrow.
Just like stand here.
Yeah.
But with your broom.
Could do both. But it's in a bit, here you go. You're just not lit up as well. Can't really see you though. No, I meant because it's just the light where it is. Got it. Do you want full body or do you want me to do?
Whatever, man, whatever.
Hold on. I might switch lenses afterwards actually. Get rid of this. Like it, or would you like another one? Do you want to do your De Niro face?
Christmas with De Niro.
Do you want to cross your legs or anything like that? How would De Niro sit? Let me do a close up. So at this point, I've now switched to the Sigma 16 f1.4. It is my prime lens. I'm gonna get better low light performance with this lens, and I've had the most success with this lens throughout my Christmas photography POVs. Let's do chocolate. Oh.
I would prefer just the normal ones.
Cosa hai chiesto se l'ha pagato?
Είναι cosy, 2 με 24 κομμάτια.
Εντάξει. Το κανονικά, το traditional. Ευχαριστώ.
Έχω 5 με 6 λεπτάκια.
Ναι, ναι.
Τέλεια. Πώς θα έχω 5 λεπτάκια να το βγάλω ζεστούς φρέσκους.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Stand there. Actually, not there, because the light's not good. Come. Stay there. Lean over, as if you're placing on. Pretend you're placing an order. Look over here. That's perfect. And then reach out as if you're point to the menu. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
There you go, wider. Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Hold that for a sec.
You need to go by the fire where it's warm. At the beginning, let's walk out. I don't know what it is about this lens, but every time I use it in low light, I really enjoy it. And pairing it with Polo Pro's mist filter just makes everything better. I mean, if you've seen the previous Christmas photography walks on the channel, I have just stuck pretty much with the Sigma 16 f1.4. I know I've used other lenses, it's just what you end up being comfortable with. I've really enjoyed having this wider field of view and the performance it has at f1.4. If I wanted something a little bit more zoomed in, I would use a 24-70. I just know I'm limited because the aperture doesn't open up. Do you want to sit in this? Sit in it.
Do you want me to sit?
Yeah.
No.
Do one afterwards. Do it. You could do it, but I might not show up. Let me come nearer. Hold on.
What, my De Niroing it?
Yeah, do it, De Niro.
Wait.
It's actually a good photo.
Holly hanging across the door.
So after arriving at Kalo Panagiotis and it was not so busy, luckily it started filling up towards the end. I think it was approaching 7 p.m. and this is when the stalls will start to close. They probably stayed open a little bit longer on a Friday, but I assume the next day on a Saturday would be super busy. But these are great Christmas villages. I really enjoyed visiting each one and I enjoy going to them each year. If you want to know more, I'll put a video of all the Christmas villages on my other channel which you can explore if you ever visit Cyprus.
Snowflakes dancing in the street. Presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire. Bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same. Waking up on Christmas Day.
If you ever visit Cyprus and want to explore the island through photography, check the links in the description box down below. Let me know in the comments as well which was your favorite Christmas village that I explored through the month of December. Remember to give this video a like as well. And that's the end of the Christmas Villages tour of December here. Thanks so much for watching. We'll probably see you in January 2026, hopefully for more POVs and some more gear reviews. Stay tuned, see you in the next one.